Alright, quick video here on how to cut melons. These are the Tuscan style extra sweet melon, product of USA, 6 pounds. They have a ripeness indicator. Mine are about lighter green, extra sweet to firm and sweet. So the knife you want to use for this is going to be something with some teeth. Usually I find that works best. So start out cutting it in half. Try to get to the center line, turning it while you cut it. Try to get the lines to match up. That's what it looks like inside. And then it's got these seeds in here. So what you want to do is cut the seeds out. Spoon helps as well. Now there's a couple different ways you can do this. I will cut down the side and then cut down the other side. And then lay it on its side. Now the other thing I have my Tupperware. So what I'll do here is slice, 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 and then cut circular all the way around. Then I'll do that in my Tupperware. That's how it looks like after the cut. So just to show you how I'm doing this here. So place that side down. Keep my hand on the peel, and you can even just lift up, and it's that simple. For these bigger pieces, sometimes I eat them right away, or you can kind of cut along. Gotta be careful because the knife can slip here, so I try to go from both sides. And voila, beautiful, perfect melon. So I'm going to talk to you a minute about picking melons. So your melons should have no imperfection. I mean, everybody loves good melons. They should be symmetrical. They should be heavy for their weight, which means that your produce, again, if it feels heavy for its size, means your produce is juicy. Everybody loves juicy melons. So pretty good looking, no visible imperfections, no punctures on the skin, shouldn't stink, should have a mild fruity smell. Some people knock on their melons. I'm not really a knocker, I'm more of a gripper. But you know, it's different ways to do it, different strokes for different folks when it comes to selecting their melons. Good melons. I recommend them.